whether you have a Polaris, you have a Can-Am, whatever it is, Speed UTV, we work on them, and we also work on quads. So I think what really sets us apart from everybody else is we're UTV focused and quad focused. I mean, we don't work on motorcycles, we don't work on all the other stuff that a dealer would do. Also, our guys have been down the trail. They've been on my rides. They've driven the cars. They know what the car should feel like, what needs to be repaired. They've been part of the race program. They've watched the race cars being prepped. They've been part of that. We feel like we really test the products that we sell. I approve them. If I don't like them, we don't sell them. And if I don't think they're going to hold up, if I don't think they're worthy enough to be here, then we don't stock them, we don't sell them. We want to make sure that you guys get the right stuff, and we also give we give the guy the advice saying, hey, I wouldn't put that on your car, and it comes back to our racing experience.